Today we are going to learn another very easy art, and this is what we are going to be drawing in this video from start to finish. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this series of easy art projects for kids. I know it's just a name that it's easy art projects for kids, but all these videos are perfectly suitable for adults as well, especially for someone who is just starting with art and someone who has no art experience at all. I am using Little Artist Adgel brush pens for my videos. You can use any brush pen or gel pen that you have. You can use any normal blank sheet. I'm not going to specify anything because these are very simple art projects and these do not require any special art supplies. You just have to make sure that the base color which you are using, that is the sketch pen or the brush pen, is compatible with the pen you will be using later for drawing. That means when you will draw using the pen over this colored area, it should not spread. That is the only mandatory step you have to check before you choose your colors. So you can do a basic patch test before you actually start drawing. Take a rough sheet, use the sketch pen or the brush pen that you're going to use for your drawing, let it dry, and then use the pen which you are planning to use. If it spreads, you might want to switch to a different one. For this art project, we are starting with drawing random rectangles or squares. It depends on your choice. I have not measured these at all. I'm just drawing them freehand and randomly. This is a great activity for kids because it introduces them with shapes, and also it's a good practice. It allows them to practice coloring inside the shapes or coloring inside the lines. Also notice how I'm only using a single stroke, a continuous stroke throughout the shape for filling it. You can draw as many boxes as you want. I'm just going to draw 9 boxes, 3 by 3. You can draw depending upon the total space you have within your sheet. You can notice that in all these videos, in this particular series, I'm not trying to be perfect at all because I want this to be just for beginners and I want that to reflect in my videos as well. Because when you will be trying it for the first time, it will not come out that perfect. I'm again using Rorito Fiber Point for drawing over it. The next step is to draw different types of flowers or plants inside these boxes. You can take inspiration from internet or the plants around you. Be very patient and draw each and every curve, every line and every shape with patience. You don't have to try to be perfect. You don't have to draw exactly how it looks. In each box, try to draw different types of plants and different types of flowers that you can think of or that you see around yourself. This is also a very great activity for your creativity. Many of you have shared your practice work with me on various social media platforms. You have tried practicing the first project that I shared last week, and I cannot express how amazing they were and how happy they made me feel just to know that you guys are learning with me and these videos are actually beneficial. One of the best qualities you should be developing to become a good artist is to practice art daily. I know there are lots of artists who say that you shouldn't be practicing daily, or maybe you should take a break, or you will just have a burnout or something. But no. If you want to improve, you should be drawing something on a daily basis. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be thoughtful, it just has to be something. It can be anything. You should also keep experimenting with your style and keep trying to find new art forms or new things, new hobbies to make sure that your creative fluid keeps flowing. For this particular art project, we are just going to fill all these individual boxes using different types of flowers or plants. Just make sure you do not repeat any of those and they are completely different from one another. This is a test of your creativity and you have to follow it. Let me know in the comments if these videos are helpful, if this series is helpful, and if there is any specific video that you want me to make, just let me know in the comments below.